YouTube, how y'all doing today? I'm doing great. If you're brand new to my channel, smash that red subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I think it still works. I don't know, but anyway, try it anyway, and hit a like. Today, you know, it's Funko Saturday. Bring you something new today. Got my little pop spread on the table, but I stopped at GameStop. Might not be new to y'all, but it's new to me. A little something I picked up. Make sure I grab it the right way. ECCC. He-Man in the slime pit. Got a little translucent green skin. Is that an actual episode? I know you can't comment down below, but I'll tell you what. Since you can't have notifications or comment, give me a like, and that tells me something. Who we got on here? Beastman, Battle Armor He-Man, Battle Armor Skeletor. Check it out, Evelyn. Emerald City Comic Con, He-Man Slime Pit, box number 52. Y'all feeling this? I kind of like it. Now, they should have had it where the eyes glow in the dark, or at least give him a little sewer smell to it, since he's in a green slime pit. Give him a sewer smell or something. That's it for Funko Saturday. I'll try to have some more stuff for y'all next Saturday. Going through some of these pops I got spread out on the table. That was a nice one. Patina Iron Man. It's always back to He-Man, Master of the Universe. See y'all next Saturday. Peace out. Whoa, whoa, whoa.